Good morning, kids. This is Teacher Grace. Your English teacher for quarter 4, week 3. Our topic for today is about simple maps. Simple maps. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you are expected to interpret simple maps of unfamiliar places, signs, and symbols. A map is a drawing of a particular area, such as a city, a country, or a continent, showing its main features, typically represented on a flat surface. Hello, kids! Have you been on a trip? Were you able to see some signs and symbols that tell something about the place you have been to? It is important to know how to read and interpret maps, signs, and symbols. It helps to locate. It helps to locate unfamiliar places easily. It also helps to do things safely. Today, we are going to study about simple maps. Let's identify the pictures and tell the meaning of the following sign and symbols. What does this symbol mean? Yes, this is a telephone booth. It means that there is a telephone booth near on that area. What does this symbol mean? Yes, this is a comfort room. It means that there is a comfort room in that area. What does this symbol mean? Yes, this is a dental clinic. It means that there is a dental clinic in that area. What does this symbol mean? Yes, grocery or supermarket. It means that there is a supermarket near in that area. What does this symbol mean? Yes, a restaurant. It means that there is a restaurant near in that area. Philip is staying at his cousin's apartment in the city for the first time. Study the city map below. Answer the questions based on the map. This is the city map. What establishment is located beside the dental clinic? Yes, a pharmacy. A pharmacy is located beside the dental clinic. Pharmacy. Philip and his cousin decide to eat. On which street will they go? Yes, Rizal Street. Rizal Street. Where can you buy some basic needs like canned goods and rice? Yes, in the grocery store. You can buy the basic needs like canned goods and rice at the grocery store. Here are some of the signs and symbols that you must remember. Far exit. Far exit. Leads the way out of a burning building. Leads the way out of a burning building. No eating, no drinking. Tells that eating and drinking in the establishment is not allowed. No smoking. No smoking. Tells that smoking is not allowed in the premises. Tells that smoking is not allowed in the premises. Warns people to be careful to avoid falling from open manhole. Warning flammable. Warns people that a substance with this symbol is capable of burning. Warns people that a substance with this symbol is capable of burning. Turn off mobile phones. Reminds people to turn off mobile phones while in the premises. Caution, wet floor. Reminds people to be careful not to slip and fall in the area. No mask, no entry. Reminds people to wear protective masks before entering the premises. Directions. Choose the letter of the statement that corresponds to the given signs and symbols. Write your answers on your paper. Number 1. Look at the picture. What is this symbol mean? A. Talk to your seatmate. B. Be quiet. C. Sing loudly. A. Talk to your seatmate. B. Be quiet. C. Sing loudly. Write your answer on your paper. Number 2. What is this symbol mean? A. Do not run. A. Do not run. B. Do not walk. B. Do not walk. C. Keep running. Keep running. Write your answer on your paper. Number 3. Look at the signs and symbols. What is this symbol mean? A. Wear ID before entering a premise. B. Keep your ID inside your bag. C. Hide your ID to the security personnel. Number 4. What is the symbol mean? A. Use the designated pedestrian crossing. A. Use the designated pedestrian crossing. B. Cross any part of the road. Cross any part of the road. C. Cross the street when vehicles moving. C. Cross the street when the vehicles moving. Number 5. What is this symbol mean? A. Vehicles must increase their speed. A. Vehicles must increase their speed. B. Vehicles must decrease their speed. Vehicles must decrease their speed. C. Vehicles must give way to other vehicles. C. Vehicles must give way to other vehicles. Write your answer on your paper. Directions. Complete the paragraph by selecting the appropriate answers from the given choices below. Write your answers on your paper. The given words are hazards, unfamiliar, signs, south, symbols. Reading and interpreting maps. Number 1, blank, and 2, blank is important because it helps a person find blank locations. It helps a person keeps away from blank. There are 4 basic directions, namely north, blank. Write your answers on your paper. Letter B. Draw at least 3 signs that you see in your community. Do this in your English notebook. Example, in my community, I saw a symbol of the playground. It means that there is a playground near in our area. Next is, I saw a symbol of supermarket. It means that there is a supermarket near in our area.